All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to put the third row seats down so you can have more cargo space or whatever you want to do back there. I'm going to show you how to put down the third row seats. All right, I'm going to go over it. I'm going to show you how to put it down as well as put them back into place. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in the Kia, I'm sitting in the front seat. In order to put down the third row, what you're gonna have to do is get to the back. So I'm gonna open the door, unlock the door, and then while I'm here, I'm just gonna open up the trunk. Just go ahead and press that, and then hold it down. All right, so it's opening up the trunk. So open up the trunk, and I get back here. Now, look right here. So the seats are up. Now, the first thing you want to do is, if the seat headrests are right here, you want to go ahead and put them down, but you don't have to, but it will actually allow more space. I don't have two hands to do this right now, so I'll just do it later. So with this right here, that one's down, I'll be good demonstration. All you have to do is find this pulley system right here. All right, pull it. That headrest goes down, and then just let it fall forward, or you can push it forward, and it goes down flat. Let's show you this one. That one's up. I'm gonna take this pulley, I'm gonna pull it, release it, it falls down flat. Now look at all the cargo space to do whatever you need to do. All right, so now to put it back into place, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same pulley and pull it back just like that, and then use my other arm to lock it into place, pull up the headrest, come on to this side, and pull that up, find the headrest, put that back into place just like that. And when I'm done, that's up. All I have to do is go ahead and shut it. And that's how you do it. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.